What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 corners. The total measurements of the 4 interior angles are always 360 degrees. It's true that if you add all interior angles, it would sum up to 360 degrees. Take a look at the example above. The mirror is in the shape of a square, which is also a type of quadrilateral. We know from our previous years that the angle of a square is 90 degrees. And there are 4 angles because there are 4 vertices. So if you multiply 90 by 4, we will get 360 degrees. In addition to that, even if it has 4 sides but the type of quadrilateral isn't specified, if it sums up to 360 degrees, it is still a quadrilateral. The word quadrilateral came from quad, meaning 4, and lateral, meaning sides. In ancient times, many people underestimated quadrilaterals, and they did not care to take a peek under its curtains. However, when these people started to create more buildings and create more knowledge about civilizations, this then unnoticeable discovery became popular and were used in the field of arts, architecture, and everyday uses. The ancient Greeks first discovered quadrilaterals. However, quadrilaterals only had 3 sides instead of 4. But later on, the genius Romans added the 4th side and the different types of quadrilaterals. It also consists of 4 coplanar segments that intersect only at their endpoints. Coplanar segments are segments that lies on the same plane. For example, imagine a sheet of paper with drawn lines. All lines drawn in that same sheet of paper will be coplanar because they are lying on the same plane or in the same flat surface.